Welcome to this video on further differentiation. Now, further differentiation isn't much different to the type of differentiation that you would have seen in a Core 1 paper. The only difference really is that it uses negative powers. Now, I'm not going to go through really how to differentiate again because we already know this, but I'm just going to take a question that involves tangents and everything, and I'm just going to take you through it. So, we have find the equation of a tangent at the curve y equals x to the 4 minus 8 over x, and at the point right, hopefully you'll be able to see that clearly. Now, there are two different orders in which you can do things, which it doesn't really make a difference one way or another, but we'll start simple and we'll work our way up. So for the first thing, we can put 2 into the value, we can substitute 2 in to find the value of y. So y equals 2 to the 4 minus 8 over 2, 8 over 2, y equals 2 to the 4, which is 16, minus 4, y equals 12, because 8 over 2 is 4. Now then, we have our original equation, y equals x to the 4 minus 8 over x. We can rewrite this as y equals x to the 4 minus 8x to the minus 1. Now, when you differentiate, what you've got to remember is you've got to minus powers and you've got to minus 1 from the power and, you've got times by the new power minus 1 to the power. Sorry about me changing pens, this one's going to run out. Anyway, red should come clear on your camera. So we have dy by dx equals x to the 4 goes to 4x cubed minus, or should I say plus, 8x to the minus 2. Because as you know, that minus 1 times minus 8 will go to plus 8, minus 1 from the power is minus 2. Now, we know that this is the gradient to the graph, and we also know that they want us to find when x is 2, so we can substitute 2 in. So that's 4 lots of 2 cubed plus 8 lots of 2 to the minus 2. So what we find is that's 4 times 8 plus 8 lots of 1 over 2 squared, so 8 lots of a quarter. So that's 32 plus whatever. 2 squared is 4, so it's 1 over 4. 8 lots of a quarter is 2, so it equals 34. And then we have our gradient, which is 34, so we can literally just do y minus 12, which is our value, equals 34 lots of x minus 2. So we can have y equals, y minus 12, just ignore that line, y minus 12 equals 34x minus 68, y equals 34x, add 12, which would be minus 56. Just take you back to the beginning quickly. We substituted in a value for x, which was 2, to find the y coordinate. We differentiated by writing 8 over x as 8x to the minus 1, and then we substituted 2 in to find our gradient, which in this case was 34, and plugged it back in to find the equation to a tangent, because tangents have the same gradient. Thank you for listening.